Struggling to find the perfect lighting that fits your vibe and is easy to control? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Easy Valo 6-pack puck lights. Let's kick things off with the Easy Valo 6-pack under cabinet lighting. Priced at $29.99, these rechargeable motion sensor puck lights caught my attention with their sleek design and vibrant color options. If you want a stylish solution for under cabinets or accent lighting, this is worth a serious look. These lights aren't just pretty, they're practical too. With 12 RGB colors and 3 different white temperatures, you can easily set the mood for any occasion. Imagine hosting a dinner party with soft, warm lighting or setting a festive atmosphere with colorful lights. The motion sensor activates within a 120-degree range, automatically turning on when you walk by. For someone tired of fumbling for switches while cooking, this feature is a game changer. Plus, the rechargeable 1000 mAh battery can last up to 45 days in auto mode, which means you won't have to worry about constantly changing batteries. Now, some folks have mentioned that the remote can be a bit finicky at times. I'll be real with you, that part frustrated me too. But here's the thing. Once you get the hang of it, the convenience of controlling multiple lights from a distance is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you want hassle-free lighting in your kitchen or living spaces. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can withstand outdoor conditions. For the price, you're getting a solid deal with great performance. Now, if the remote control hassle with the Easy Valo bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. Elegancy 4PCS wireless LED strobe lights. Retailing at just $12.99, these little lights caught my eye with their versatility and affordability. If you're looking for something that adds flair to your vehicle or outdoor setup, this is a fantastic choice. What's impressive is the remote control feature, allowing you to change colors and modes from up to 7 meters away. With 8 vibrant colors and 10 different modes, you can create the perfect ambiance or make your vehicle stand out on the road. The high brightness is designed to grab attention, which is ideal for emergencies or just some fun at parties. Plus, they're USB rechargeable, so you can charge them quickly and enjoy 30+ hours of use on flash mode. However, I did find that some users mentioned the lights can be a bit too bright for certain situations. Here's the thing though. If you're using them for safety or visibility, that brightness is actually a benefit, not a flaw. This is perfect for you if you need reliable strobe lights for vehicles, drones, or even during camping trips. Skip this one if you want something more permanent or for indoor lighting. At this price, it's an excellent value for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for wider indoor applications. Product number 3. Kaikio Motion Sensor Ceiling Lights. Coming in at $31.97, the Kaikio Rechargeable Ceiling Light 2-pack is next. What stood out to me was the magnetic installation and motion sensing capability. If you're tired of dark closets or pantries, this is worth considering. These lights recharge via USB-C, eliminating the need for batteries, and can last up to 65 days in motion sensing mode. That means less hassle for you and more time enjoying well-lit spaces. The motion sensor detects movement from 10 to 20 feet away, making it incredibly convenient for those late-night trips to the pantry. Plus, with 3 color temperatures and dimming options, you can customize the light to fit your mood or need. One downside is that the adhesive might not stick well on all surfaces, as some users reported issues with it peeling off. But here's my perspective. If you mount it on a clean, smooth surface, it should hold up just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a no-wiring solution for closets and small spaces. Skip this if you need something more permanent and robust. For 2 lights at this price, it's a great deal for convenience and functionality. Now, if the adhesive issue with the Kaikio bought your attention, the next product might just have a more user-friendly installation. Product number 4. Easy Valo 5-pack under cabinet lights. Another Easy Valo product that's taken things a step further. The 5-pack under cabinet lighting for $36.99. This caught my eye due to its enhanced battery life and remote control features. If you need consistent illumination for tasks, keep listening. These lights come equipped with a powerful 2400 milliamp hour battery that lasts up to 45 days in motion sensing mode. That's a relief for anyone tired of constantly charging their lights. The motion sensor detects movement within 10 feet, which is perfect for areas like kitchens or stairwells where you need light the moment you step in. Additionally, the remote lets you manage multiple units easily, adjusting brightness and setting timers from up to 16 feet away. However, I found that some users mentioned the lights can be a bit bulky for tight spaces. Honestly, that's something to consider if you're short on room, but for larger areas, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want reliable lighting for kitchens or workshops. Skip this if you're looking for something compact. Given the battery life and performance, it's a solid value. Finally, if you're looking for something more mood-oriented, let's check out our last pick.
Product number 5, Big Monster Waterproof Shower Lights. Last but not least, we have the Big Monster 2-pack waterproof shower lights, priced at $19.99. I was drawn to their unique design and functionality suited for wet environments. If you want to add some flair to your bathroom, keep watching. These lights offer 15 RGB colors and 2 dynamic modes, creating a relaxing spa-like atmosphere during your shower. With a rechargeable 2000 mAh battery, they provide 5 to 10 hours of lighting, perfect for long showers or bubble baths. The smart remote control is an added bonus for easy adjustments, even with wet hands. Plus, the easy installation means you won't need to drill any holes, making it a breeze to set up. One drawback is that some users have reported that the adhesive can weaken over time. Look, I get it. Nobody wants their lights falling mid-shower, but as long as you install them properly and avoid direct water contact, this shouldn't be a major issue. This is perfect for you if you want stylish lighting in your bathroom or for mood setting. Skip this if you're looking for something more traditional. For the price and the fun it adds, it's definitely worth it.
So there you have it. We've looked at the Easy Valo puck lights, Elegancy strobe lights, Kaikio ceiling lights, Easy Valo cabinet lights, and the Beak Monster shower lights. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Easy Valo 5-pack because of its incredible battery life and functionality in various settings. Avoid the Kaikio if you're looking for something ultra reliable on all surfaces.